How good's this? Come check it out with me. You! You! Oh, this place is sick. Favorite swimming hole growing up. This place is a #1 example of nature's playground. I remember coming here as a young kid and just thinking, holy crap, all the cool things to do. Climbing rocks, going swimming, checking out bugs, plants, reptiles, climbing around like a lunatic, looking off the edge of high things. You know, just general kid fun. How's this moss? Pretty nice. Oh, my favorite seat growing up, right here. Let's see if it still fits. Ooh, she's a bit slippery. That's the one. It's funny. Doesn't matter how long it's been since you've been somewhere like this. Just remember all the little tracks and trails, how to get around. What rocks are slippery, what rocks aren't. What ones wobble, what ones don't. How to get past a waterfall. How to work your way around after some heavy floodwater. Well, I normally go under that one, but she's pretty wild today. To go through or around. Round's definitely the safe option. But the safe option isn't always the most fun option. Whew, that water is chilly. Winter time in Victoria. Whew. Ooh, that looks Very slippery. Nothing some super traction bare feet can't handle. Hopefully. Whew. Good way to treat the new camera. Starts getting a bit calmer once you get this far. That's some funky watercolor. Haven't seen that before. How's my lens looking? A few spider webs on there. Ew! Where to from here? Well, only I know at this point in time. Is that jumpable? Yeah, it's jumpable. Oh, me log's gone. That used to be one of my favourite bridges crossing this creek here. What a spot. Well, let's go check out some other stuff. I've always loved the way that water moves. Whether it's streams, currents, oceans, waves made by currents. All right, going through this time. How slippery? We'll see. Oh, very, very slippery. Oh yeah. Go the bare feet. I love walking around in bare feet. You can just feel what's under your feet. And I think that really helps with being sure-footed. There's this little tree growing in the crack. I wonder how many years that's been there for. Different view on the way back. Bum slide, an essential technique for navigating rocks. Oh, this moss is amazing. Travel and camp on durable surfaces. Leave no trace principle number 2, maybe? One of them anyway. Check them out if you're not familiar with them. Definitely a good set of guidelines of how to operate in the outdoors. Oh, what to check out? Maybe me old swimming hole. Maybe my cousin's slippery slide rock from back in the day. Do you remember that, Em? I remember thinking it was hilarious. Not sure you did at the time. Maybe like 10 seconds afterwards. Oh, getting warm. Not something you say in Victorian winter all that often. Maybe it's time for a dip. Definitely cold. My memory serves me correctly, this is slippery as. Aim for the bright patches. Oh, that water is awesome. Cold, but awesome. Oh, how's that bit of rock? Nice little wedge. Okay, my feet are officially freezing. Time for a dip? I reckon so. That is absolutely freezing. Nothing like crossing a moving body of water with sensitive electronics. Here goes. Woo. All right, back where we started. Maybe time to get amongst that waterfall. Or go say g'day to the water dragon. Hey there, buddy. What? looks a little startled. Let's leave him alone. Hydrate, kiddos. All right, back where we started. Don't know how possible this is today, but can't remember coming here and not getting under that waterfall. Let's give it a crack. Was totally freezing. Brain freeze to the max. Phew. Wow, that was unreal. Thanks for checking it out. Phew. How's my hair after going under that waterfall? Better than any conditioner.